Welcome back to the channel. If your Waze app is showing speed in kilometers per hour and you want miles per hour, or the other way around, this video is exactly for you. Don't worry, the process is very simple and takes less than a minute. First, open the Waze app on your phone. On the main map screen, tap on the Settings icon. Once you are inside Settings, tap on General. This section controls basic app behavior. Now, look for an option called Units. Tap on it. Here, you will see choices for distance and speed measurement. If you want Mph, select miles. If you want Kph, select kilometers. As soon as you tap your choice, Waze saves it automatically. Go back to the map screen and you will notice that the speedometer, speed limits, and distance values have instantly changed. There is no need to restart the app. This setting is especially useful if you travel internationally or follow speed limits shown in a different unit. Always make sure the unit matches the road signs to avoid speeding unintentionally. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses Waze. See you in the next tutorial.